guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a quick show and tell / demo on some hair that I received from samsbeauty.com. I will link all that information down below. So I decided to do a little switch up game on you guys, and I'm going to install some crochet braids. The name of these braids are by the brand Authentic, and they are Senegalese twist. In each package you get 40 strands of crocheted hair. The length is 32 inches. Yes, very long. And I have it in the color number 2. So right now I'm showing you guys how my mini me, yes, my daughter, helped me French braid my hair back into some cornrows for this install. And it was her first time, so you know the foundation isn't the greatest, but it's definitely not the worst. Prior to me installing my hair, I'm going to go ahead and moisturize my hair and my scalp, and I'm going to go ahead and seal in that moisture with some oil. So this next clip is where it got kind of complicated, because since my hair is so long, we needed to come up with a strategy to hide my hair so that the install wouldn't be so bulky. So what we decided to do was loop my hair through the actual cornrows, and it worked out pretty well. The foundation and everything came out really nice. The most simplest way to apply crochets is to take the crochet needle, slip it under your French braid or cornrow, and luckily this hair comes pre-looped and pre-feathered at the end. So all you have to do is go and open up the loop, insert it inside of the crochet needle, close the latch hook, pull the crochet needle down, open up the crochet opening, and slip the end of the crochet through the loop and pull. And it is so effortless and easy. This whole application took me and my daughter about an hour and a half to complete. Okay guys, so I wanted to sit down really quick and tell you guys my overall experience rocking this hair. I have had it in for like 2 days now, and I really love it. I'm getting a lot of compliments, and it's, you know, it's a different vibe for me, but I'm really feeling it. Let me go ahead and give you guys a 360 of how it looks right now, pulled all up and then into a ponytail. So a little bit about this hair. This is the Senegalese twist in 32 inches. Yes, super long. I have it in the color number 2. And the thing that I really love about this hair is you get 40 individual strands in each package. I received about 7 packages, but we only used 6.5. My daughter braided the foundation for this, and she helped me put the back in. So shout out to you, Minnie, good looking. So I'm going to insert some clips of how this hair looks in a couple different styles. It is kind of heavy, being that I'm used to wearing wigs, which are pretty lightweight. So I did have to get used to that, but overall I'm like feeling some poetic justice vibes. Like, yes, it's super duper gorgeous. I really love this look on me. I wish I would have had a style like this in the summertime. This would have been perfect to wear like to the beach. And yes, all information on this hair I'm going to link in the description box, as well as a direct link to samsbeauty.com. Shout out to them for sending this hair to me. And yes, you guys, enjoy the little bit of footage that I did get of me and my daughter putting this in. And if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, go ahead and leave that down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video.